Indian currency has hit a new all-time low against the dollar. It has come at a time when other emerging market currencies have not cracked. It has come at a time when the dollar index has really weakened significantly in last 10 trading sessions. This is largely either because of some capital pull out from the bond market or capital outflow from the equity market. 61.26, this is something which will certainly make markets nervous, as now most of the traders would fear that more policy action would be around the corner, and it's not stopping. 61.30. So again, that free fall has started. The minute you go below an historic low, it's really the pull and the pressure effect which kicks in. Algorithm trades, they kick in. Short sellers, they initiate more shorts. Stop losses, they get triggered. Horrible news, that's what I can say.
Let's just bring in Manisha to chat about where the rupee is headed, and Manisha doesn't seem like it's going to let go. 61.32 on last check.
Well, absolutely, Aisha, and the minute it opened at around 61 and above, and there was no intervention coming in from RBI. It was just a matter of minutes before you saw a new record low coming in for the currency, and that really has happened on the screen. Rupee in the recent days only has been brought down because of RBI intervention, the talks, and perhaps the kind of measures that they have been taking. And as you guys were just discussing, nothing has really happened from RBI in last 3 or 4 sessions, and that really gave the rupee bears perhaps that much more of encouragement going forward into the markets and selling it the way they have done. There's not really very clear trend coming in from the international markets as well. There still are concerns about the Fed tapering that can for sure start in 2013 itself is something that also seems to be putting pressure. And the Indian conditions, of course, have continued to decline. Take a look at the equity markets. We have seen a continuous decline coming in for that one, and that has been putting pressure on the rupee. The dollar demand coming in from importers because of the oil payments, the crude oil prices still holding around 108. So the concerns, the fears that we have been talking all over again in the last so many weeks and perhaps months as well now continue to be there in the market. Nothing really has changed, and that is the reason you have seen continuous slide coming in for the currency as well. All-time low, 61.5, 61.80, 62. There's a report out from JP Morgan as well, and they are talking about 63.5 as a near-term target as well. So not too many people out on the street which are calling any shots on the bull side coming in for the currency.